Hi YouTube, it's Jason from Clean Code Online. This is the introduction video of the new tutorial series Java Database with MySQL. In this tutorial series, I'll show you how to connect and manipulate with MySQL database from your Java program. Here I will be doing on JavaFx, but the things will be exactly same for Swing applications as well. So, let's get into it. So first thing to do is, go ahead onto your browser and search XAMPP free download. Here you can go to Apache website and download the XAMPP latest version. What this software will do is, simply create a local MySQL server in your machine to host your database. So download and install that. By default in Windows, programs will be installed in C program files, but you have to install XAMPP in a root directory, so make sure to install it in root C drive. This is pretty big, over 100 megabytes, so I will cancel it. Make sure you install it. Next, go ahead and download MySQL connector for Java. This will have a file which will have Java classes and interfaces used to communicate your program with your database server. Next, if you have a code editor you prefer to use, it's really fine. If you don't have one, I recommend IntelliJ IDEA. It's pretty good with its code completion mechanism and other cool features. Now there are two versions, Ultimate which is paid, and Community which is free. Community Edition is enough for this series, but for web development and advanced stuffs, it's not bad paying for Ultimate one. So download and install the Community exe file. That's all for the introduction. In the next video, I'll show how to create the users, database and tables on the MySQL server. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.